Right, here's some genuinely good news for once. Gemini can finally make actual files, and it did take them long enough. On April the 29th, Google announced the Gemini app can now generate downloadable files directly in your chat. You ask, it builds, a card appears with a download button, no more copy-pasting into Word. It's available to everyone, free or paid. There's 9 formats officially supported: PDF, Word, Excel, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, plus CSV and Markdown. Most download straight to your device. The workspace ones save the drive, ready to edit and share. But here's the bit Google didn't shout about. This Reddit user just asked Gemini for a C file, a Java file, HTML and XML. None were in the official list, and it built all 4, so the actual capability is broader than advertised. A bit of context: Gemini has roughly 7% of the AI chatbot market. ChatGPT has 80, and generating files is something ChatGPT has had for ages, so this is Gemini playing catch up, but honestly, it's a real gap closed. So how to use it? Open Gemini, describe the file you want, and that's it. Free for everyone, works on web, mobile, and the new Mac app. Worth knowing if you've been ignoring Gemini up to now.